Are you looking to perform a hermetic seal test, but unsure about which standard to apply for detecting leaks in packaging? Stay with us as we explore the main industry standards. Let's start with the well-known ASTM D3078 standard, designed for flexible packaging containing air. This is a visual detection test that precisely identifies the location of defects in the seal or packaging surface by submerging the package and creating negative pressure inside the chamber. This causes the packaging to inflate and the internal air to escape, forming bubbles if leaks are present. We continue with the ASTM F2096 standard, which is also an immersion test. But instead of creating a vacuum in the chamber, we inject air directly into the product. This inflates the packaging and releases bubbles through any defects. This standard is suitable for products with air or vacuum-packed. The ASTM D5094 standard focuses on leak detection of liquid-filled rigid containers, performing a dry vacuum test to observe leaks if they occur. Although this standard was withdrawn without replacement, alternatives such as the European standard EN 14401 or our own protocol RC02 exist. ASTM D4991 allows for validating the airtightness of empty rigid containers via a vacuum immersion test, looking for bubbles to identify sealing integrity issues. This standard is especially useful for containers holding hazardous materials intended for air transport. ASTM D6653 is useful for transportation tests involving altitude variations, simulating conditions of air or ground transport in elevated areas by matching atmospheric pressure conditions throughout the journey by adjusting the vacuum levels within the chamber. Interestingly, D6653 is a substandard corresponding to Schedule I of ASTM D4169, which describes a general protocol for transportation tests, including simulations of vibration, handling, and impact. For all these standards, we have created detailed explanatory videos on our YouTube channel. You can find the links in the description. Soon, we will make a video about standards in the pharmaceutical sector, so be sure to subscribe not to miss out.